G'day guys, Jack Fitzgerald from Hello Fencing. Now what I want to show you is basically the FG4 gate hinge installation system. So as you can see here, the gate top hinge is screwed in through the center of the strainer post with the thread on the other side that's tensioned up with the 16mm nut on the end. And that's exactly the same as the bottom hinge, the gudgeon down the bottom. That's screwed through. The gate sits on that bottom pin that goes up through the inside of the gate, and then the top hinge unit is just pulled tight to prevent the gate from moving. Really simple and easy to install.